Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about why dropshipping is dead and what you can do about it. So before we get started, the reason yesterday's video didn't go up is because I made a video, filmed it, started uploading it to YouTube, and then I had to leave and therefore I couldn't upload the video. So that video is coming out tomorrow. And today's video is coming out right now. So, what free plus shipping is, if you don't know, is you take a really cheap product from AliExpress if you're drop shipping most of the time, and you take a product that's like max $4, and then you say the product is free, and the shipping, and then you make the shipping like $9.99 for example, and that makes you a little bit of money. So that's how it works. And I did do that model a few times, but it's starting to die off because people see it as a scam, because everybody on Instagram is doing this, and so people are just seeing this as a scam. And because it has really like bad pictures with a white background, pictures taken from AliExpress, and it just looks really amateur. Everybody's doing the same picture. So what you do is, the very first thing you want to do is fix your picture. If you have a picture with a white background on AliExpress, order that product. It's not going to cost you a huge amount of money, especially if it's like $4 or something. You order it and make a proper photo of people using or wearing your stuff with no matter what product you're using. You want to have people wearing it or using it. Maybe a video if that's better. So if you have a video, it's the perfect thing. The next thing is that people mostly know what free plus shipping is, so that they just don't even click on your ad. If they do click on your ad, they'll go all through everything, start ordering it, and then they'll end up on your page and seeing it's like $9.99. And people hate that because they just saw the free thing. Even if you said in your description that you do have to pay shipping, people see $9.99 and they just leave your website and say like that's a scammer. So you probably don't want to do that. And you don't want to associate that with your website. So how do you fix all this? What you want to do is you want to make a really good deal. So say something like you want to sell an item, whatever it is, for, say you want to sell it $19.95. So what you can do is you say it was $40 and now it's $19, and like people are gonna be like, oh okay, it's like half the price, so that's pretty good. So that's the very first thing. You want to switch it over. If it's like a cheap product, you can say like the $9.99, you could switch it onto the other side and say the product is $9.99. Okay, so the sale needs to have a reason. Like if you can't say like the product was $40 and is 19 now, because it's just not gonna, like people are gonna be like, why are they doing that? There's no reason. So you need to have a reason. Something like, we're moving our warehouse, we have 200 items left, and we need to get rid of these 200 items left. So you do that, and then you use the Shopify app saying something like, we have 28 left or 39 or something like that. You don't want to have like 50 left, because that's like a really round example, and the odds of ending up on 50 is pretty bad. So make something like 38, 37, 29, something like that, 24, whatever you want to do, but don't pick like 150, something like that. So then what you can do is you have a really cheap shipping. So say you have that $9.99 product, which instead of putting the shipping $9.99, you put it in your product. So the product is $9.99, then you go to the shipping and they end up saying like you want to pick a price between $1 to $3. Obviously you want it to in that price with 95 or 99, because it's just a step underneath. Like if they say above $4, I don't want you to pay it, and they have $3.99 shipping, then like in their head it's like, oh, okay, I have some money left. So that's really important. But you want to have a price between $1 to like $3. People are just not gonna shy off. You're not gonna have so many abandoned carts like you do in 3+ shipping. So just use that. That being said, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button, the notification bell, because that means people know when I upload a video, as you know, sorry. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.